Hey, welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing review of the Gundam Universe Wing Gundam. Like I said, this clip, not the greatest idea. So, here are the wings. As you can see, this part does move. And this part does move. So you can move the yellow and white, which looks very good in this gold color. I know on camera it kind of almost looks like a mustard yellow, but off camera it is a sweet gold color. And the wings do fold up into each other if you line them up correctly, like that. Okay. Not really sure which one is which yet. Because it looks like they could go either way, but I do have to let, because I don't know if you can see this, but there's kind of like this little diamond shape on one side and flat on the other side. They're saying that the diamond shape goes on the back. So this one would be the white wing, and this one's going to be the left wing. Here is its little shield joint right here, which is kind of weird. Here is its buster rifle, which is very, very lovely and nice. Highly scaled and detailed. I just love the little guns that they make here. Now, can this one transform to like its Neo bird mode? With, you know, the rifle go on the bottom, the shield covering the head, its waist twisted around to its butt, you know, to kind of do that whole Neo bird or Neo wing bird mode that we've seen? Nope. Remember, it's not a Bandai model kit. It is a Bandai Tamashii collectible action figure. And here are the hands. Here is, like I said, the Twitter hand. Here is the Holden hand. Here is the shield. Which I gotta say, they did a pretty nice job. I mean, look at the panel line in there. I mean, that is actually nice artwork on the panel line. Let's see if we can get... Yeah, I mean, look at that. That's just fantastic. The job that they could do on that. And of course, the Wing Gundam, my favorite. I have a couple different favorite series. There's, you know, Wing Gundam, because it's the first one that we've been introduced to here in America. Double O, I love Double O. The Etsier Gundams with Setana F Sete. Love those ones. Unicorn Gundam with Benager Links. I love those. Didn't like that at first. It was kind of like, you know, the Turn A Gundam. Still don't like Turn A Gundam. But after a while, I actually been able to watch it in English, thanks to the good folks at Toonami. I'm a Unicorn fan. Yeah. I love the Unicorn series. Now, I also love the IBO, Iron Blood Orphans, if you didn't know what IBO stood for. Great series. Mikazuki August with, you know, his Bartos going through all different variation forms from first to sixth form, which was the Lupus Wets form. I love that. And of course, everyone's gotta be loving the RX-72. You know, someone's like, I kind of like the Sakuras, but you still gotta say RX-72. I like it, just wish that, you know, it's in English. Or, who knows, they might release it in English, you know. I mean, let it come out with Char Asimov's side story of how he became the White Comet versus, you know, Away, the White Devil. So, I mean, who knows? So, articulation. Head can go 360 degrees, rotates up, down. kind of white on both. What is head to the side there. They used like some iridescent paint on here, which really makes the cameras stand out. Although I noticed they didn't use any paint for the back camera, just for the front camera. But I think that's how it was for the model kit, if I remember correctly. Ooh, up here by its V fins, the head Velkins, those should be colored in gold, and they didn't color those in gold. So you might need some gunpowder markers or model paint to paint them in gold. You do have the little bird claws here, which they do actually move, which is freaking sweet that they do move. But can you actually put it into, Neo Bird mode? The shoulders don't really move that much. The arms do have more freedom to move up and down. They could go around and move like that. You can move the hands, pop them out because they're on ball joints and stuff. Waist articulation, side to side, up and down for ab crunch. Can't really watch it. The front skirts can move individually. Side skirts can move like that. The back butt skirt doesn't move. The little burniers or thrusters on the back pad do not move. Thrusters on the legs, they do not move. Legs can go out that much, this much, forward that much, back that much. Knee bend, like that. They can move here for toe. This one's actually a little more stiff due to, its blade or shin guards there. And you could get the full-on split. Now, if we put in this little butt plug, which is a bit weird, because with Bandai ones, their butt plugs go in like this way, straight in like that. With the Tamashii Nation one, you actually have to turn it this way and pop it in like that. And look, the legs kind of stand out. Like, it looks like, oh man, I messed my pants. Come on, just wild there. I know, I need a new pair of underwear. Really, for real. I mean, look, it's doing, I just messed my underwear. I need a new pair of underwear. It looks very, very unnatural. But that's the way how the pad has to go in. Remove the pad. And oh my god, like, you could get a way more perfect, better stance from this. Does the cockpit open up? No, obviously. Let that detail work on the bottom of the feet. I mean, I love that. That's great. So I believe this one was the white one. So we'll just pop it in. Which is a bit hard to get this in. Unless you get it in a certain way. Probably should start with the left one. But there we go. You can have it like that. Spread it out. Kind of like that. Let's grab its gun. Put it in its holding hand with the trigger finger. Looks very nice. Let's kind of get into pose here. So we'll pull out both hands here. Pop in the gun hand. which is a bit tight on the ball joint. But it can hold it. And let's see, how do we get the shield to work? So the shield, whoops. Does have the little gimmick. You pull this out, and then you put it in like this, and then we put this onto the hand, which actually this hand seems to be a little more wobbly. And let's kind of get it up in there. Which, I'm just going to pull this off and attach it. Then pop it back in there. And then there is a little circle on this one that will fit in this little square tab. So let's see if Bandai learned their mistake. Circles versus tabs. And I just pop this little head off. This one, I would say, is a bit more finicky than the other ones. Where the heck ain't what's going on in there? Oh, that's because we didn't place this joint. Duh. And there is a certain way that the joint goes. Bottom piece, tab goes to the bottom, ball side goes to the top. Okay, now we can